In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Books certification. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or looking to validate your skills, getting certified can be a great boost for your professional profile. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to achieve this certification. First, you'll want to head over to Zoho's main website, zoho.com, and log into your account. It's crucial to ensure your account details are up to date, as accessing certain features might require verified account information. Once logged in, immediately navigate to your Zoho Books account, since that's where all the magic happens. If you haven't set up your account yet, you'll need to do that before proceeding. Now, let's talk about what it means to get certified. To earn your Zoho Books certification, you will need to look up Zoho certification training courses. This is a great way to ensure you're getting the most from the wide range of functions Zoho Books offers. Once you've located a certification course that interests you, you'll see an option to register. Go ahead and click on Register Now to begin the enrollment process. Next, you will be required to fill in a registration form. Be thorough when completing this, as any inaccuracies might cause issues later on. After submitting your form, check your email frequently. Once your registration is processed, an enrollment confirmation will be sent to you along with a link that gives you access to the examination itself. Once you receive the link, it's time to prepare for your exam. Certification isn't just a piece of paper. Consider it a mark of excellence. It demonstrates that you not only possess the knowledge, but that you're capable of assuring the quality of products and services. This kind of certification is an investment, both in your own career and in the future success of your current or prospective employer. If you're keen to explore more options, another quick tip is to search for Learn Zoho Books, Professional Certification online. This can provide additional resources and courses that might be beneficial as you work towards certification. So, why should you invest time in acquiring a Zoho Books certification? Not only does it validate your expertise, but it prepares you for greater responsibilities and opportunities in your field. This journey may seem demanding, but the credentials you'll earn are proof of your dedication and competence. There you have it, a straightforward path to earning your Zoho Books certification. Feel free to start your search and begin working through these steps. Good luck on your certification journey, and remember, this is an exciting step forward in enhancing your professional skills and opportunities.